In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the double crochet. This is a very useful stitch if you're trying to make maybe blankets that you can end up actually getting it done a little bit faster because these are a little bit bigger stitches than the single crochet or half double crochet. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and make your slip knot and do any multiples of chain. For this tutorial, I'm going to do 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So go ahead and remember which one is your 15th stitch and go ahead and chain 2 extra stitches at the end. So 1, 2. So in the third chain from the hook, you want to yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, yarn over again, pull through 2, and pull through 3. So let's go ahead and do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert 1, 2, 3. And we will do this all the way to the end of the row. You're at the last stitch, so yarn over, insert your hook, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and turn your work. Now there's 2 options for this. You can chain up 2 or chain up 3. I prefer to chain up 2 because I think it gives the edge a nicer, tighter edge. But you can do whichever one feels better for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and chain up 2. Yarn over. Insert your hook into that stitch. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Insert your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Insert your hook. 1, 2, yarn over, insert your hook, whoops, 1, 2, 3, and don't be worried about making accidents or messing things up. That's the fun thing about yarn, is if you mess up, you can always unravel it a little bit to fix it. Or you can do what I do and just kind of leave your little accidents in there. Just adds it a little bit more flair and a little bit more personality to it. Saying, hey, look at me. I kind of messed up a smidgen, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. Crocheting should be all about having fun and enjoying what you do. Alright, we are at the last stitch. So we yarn over, insert your hook, 1, 2, and 3. And there you have it. That's how you do the double crochet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know down in the comments what type of project you'll be doing with your double crochet. I post new videos every Monday, so hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified when the videos have been posted. Have a joyful crochet day.